Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Booking.com. Having your payment details saved makes the booking process faster and smoother, allowing you to secure reservations quickly without entering card information every single time. First, open your web browser and head over to Booking.com. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your account name or profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Manage Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can control all aspects of your Booking.com profile. Now that you're in your account settings, scroll down until you find the payment details or payment methods section. This is where Booking.com stores all your saved cards and payment options. Click on this section to access your payment management area. You'll notice an Add Card button, typically located on the right side of the screen. Click this button to begin adding your new payment method. A form will appear prompting you to enter your card details. Fill in the required information carefully, including the cardholder name exactly as it appears on your card, the full card number, the expiry date, and the CVV security code found on the back of your card. Before moving forward, take a moment to double-check all the information you've entered. Make sure the card number, expiry date, and name match your physical card precisely. Incorrect details can cause payment failures when you try to book accommodations. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click Save or Add Card to store the payment method securely in your Booking.com account. Depending on your bank's security settings, you might be prompted to complete additional verification steps. This could include a text message code or authentication through your banking app. Complete these steps as requested to finalize the process. After you've successfully added your card, it will appear in your payment details section and be available whenever you make a booking. You can use this saved payment method for quick checkouts, and you can always return to this section to add more cards, remove old ones, or update existing payment details if your card expires or gets replaced. Keeping your payment information current is important to avoid any interruptions when booking your next trip. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.